Now, weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, if you've been watching radar this evening, you're looking at this and you're going, what do we got going on out there? And you step outside and you don't see anything. Well, radar is sensing precipitation. It's just that precipitation isn't making it all the way to the surface because there's a very dry layer of air near the surface. So as that precipitation falls into it, it evaporates. And that's why I think most areas, along and north of Highway 60 are not going to see any snow overnight tonight. But south of Highway 60, especially along and south of the state line and in northwest Arkansas, that is an area where I do think we will see some light rain changing over to some light snow later on tonight, if not already. We've already had some reports of some light rain and snow in and around McDonald County, also south down into northwestern areas of Arkansas, around the Bentonville area, reports of light rain. And what that is a sign that the atmosphere, those lower levels that have been dry, are moistening up, and that means as precipitation continues overnight tonight, this is going to be an area where we will likely see that changeover from light rain to light snow, and then a period of light snow, especially after midnight tonight, maybe through about sunrise tomorrow. And there could be enough for at least a dusting on some of the grassy surfaces and rooftops in those locations. Right now, 38 degrees in Springfield. Temperatures will slowly continue to fall overnight tonight, and it looks like many spots are going to get very close to freezing, if not hit the freezing mark. Cloud cover certainly is helping out overnight tonight, though, keeping those temperatures from bottoming out. I think had we not had the cloud cover tonight, and if we're looking at light winds like we are, we would probably find those temperatures dipping well into the 20s for lows. That's not going to be the case because of the clouds that we have out there. Hour by hour forecast, again, around midnight and thereafter is when I think we see more of an uptick in light rain or light snow, especially again along and south of the state line in northwest Arkansas. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's take it through 6 o'clock in the morning. Still looks like we've probably got a patch of light snow here impacting areas maybe from Berryville east across Harrison over toward Mountain Home. That activity should quickly fade away and shift off to the southeast during the morning hours. We'll probably hold on to generally cloudy skies through the morning, but as we get into the afternoon, it looks like we should see more breaks in the clouds, and that'll be a nice thing to see. And it'll also help temperatures. It'll help to boost those temperatures maybe closer to 50 degrees tomorrow afternoon for the high. Today we only had a high of 44 in Springfield. Mid-40s were common across the area. As far as the snowfall, again, not expecting any more than a dusting, and that's going to focus across areas from Bentonville east, maybe as far east as Mountain Home. This includes places like Eureka Springs, Berryville, Harrison, down through the Jasper area in northwest Arkansas. Freeze warnings are also in effect for northwest Arkansas and much of southwest Missouri up through central Missouri, but it is going to be a close call because I do think the temperatures are going to get curbed a bit by that cloud cover. Looks like about 33 here in Springfield, but there are going to be places that hit 32, Monette, Stockton. I think temperatures around freezing for a morning low will be very common closer to central Missouri and also northwest Arkansas, especially where we maybe get a little bit more of a steady period of precipitation. That'll drive temperatures down close to the freezing mark. Highs tomorrow generally in the upper 40s here in southwest Missouri and in northwest Arkansas, areas to the north and east likely topping out around 50, if not into the low 50s, where I think clouds will thin out fastest in those locations. And the pattern this week looking warmer later this week, but we will see a kink developing in the jet stream that will have to move east through the area Friday into Saturday, and that will be our next storm. So here's our 7-day forecast. Again, a cold one again tomorrow. Looks like a light freeze Wednesday morning. Highs in the upper 50s, though, with mostly sunny skies. Partly sunny on Thursday. Highs in the 60s, and then a cold front's going to move south through much of the area. That's going to set us up for a colder day on Friday. Temperatures may struggle to warm out of the 40s, and it looks like we'll have showers on and off throughout the day, and a chance for showers and a few thunderstorms continuing into the front end of the weekend before we clear out. And I think Sunday into Monday looking pretty nice with highs in the 60s and sunshine.
Can you look at your crystal ball, though, beyond Monday of next week and think, are we going to be getting warmer?
Are we done with this?
Are we done with this? That's the real
temperatures?
question, right?
You know, looking at the pattern going forward, I think this may be our last gasp of wintertime, and at least in regard to freezing temperatures.
Good deal. All right. How about our Viewers Club number?
Number tonight's 201-105, and our jackpot is $600.
All right, Jamie, thanks.